So many new creators open YouTube Studio, see this graph, and immediately panic. Is my video dying? And what do these peaks and valleys mean? Today on Sure Growth Creator, I'm breaking down the exact 5 patterns YouTube wants you to know and learn about so you can fully understand what's working and fix what's not. Because despite what you think, YouTube does want you to succeed. Never forget that the better your videos are, the more money YouTube makes, and the better off you are at growing your channel and making more money for yourself, and how you can use and apply what you learn in this video in a very specific way to get your channel to grow far faster than you might expect. So let's get started. It's important to know that audience retention is YouTube's absolute #1 signal on how well a video is performing. Higher retention equals more recommendations, more watch time, and faster growth. Even a small improvement with retention can double your views over time. And the best part? You already have everything you need in YouTube Studio to understand how to analyze the retention of your videos. Here's the exact retention graphic YouTube uses. It shows 5 key patterns. Let's break them down one by one. First, we have the flatline graph. This means that viewers are watching that section from start to finish. They're locked in, and this is the ideal scenario for your video. One quick way to get more of these types of videos is to deliver consistent value and use pattern interrupts every 8 to 12 seconds. Quick cuts, questions, or teasers. You know the drill. Second, we have the gradual decline graph. Gradual declines are normal. Viewers naturally lose a bit of attention over time. But if it's too steep, something might be wrong with your video or the video's pacing. As a fix, try to tighten your editing, remove any unnecessary filler, and keep every section answering, why should I keep watching? Number 3, the graph with one or more spikes in viewer retention. Spikes are absolute gold. They happen when viewers rewind, rewatch, or share that moment with others. The YouTube algorithm loves these. It tells them that your content is valuable. As an action step, be sure to study spikes in your own videos and learn how to recreate that same energy to all your future videos. Graph 4 has one or more significant dips. Dips mean viewers are skipping or abandoning at that exact second. Common reasons for this loss of retention include boring or unnecessary tangents, slow explanations, or weak transitions. To fix this, you can cut or speed up that section. A really good tip for this is to watch the sections of your old videos yourself at 1.5 or 2x speed. If it feels slow to you, your audience will think so too. Finally, graph 5 with that gray blob behind it is your typical performance graph. This is how your specific video compares to the last 10 recent videos of similar length. Understanding this graph is pretty simple. If your blue line stays above the gray, you're beating your average, and that's how you know you're improving. So what is actually good in 2026? In my opinion, for videos under 5 to 10 minutes like this one, a 50% plus average viewed is really solid. A 60% plus viewed is excellent. But the real goal is to beat your own typical performance line consistently. Never chase for a perfect 100%. Instead, focus on fewer big dips and more spikes. And finally, now that we know how to read these very important audience retention graphs, here's your 60-second game plan. And honestly, it's different from what almost every other creator tells you. Now, most YouTubers will say, go back and fix your old videos. But my philosophy here at Sure Growth Creator is simple. Look forward, not back. Here's what I want you to do instead. Number 1, open your past videos analytics and research them. Number 2, screenshot the graphs and quickly note your biggest dips and best spikes. Number 3, learn from them, but don't touch those old videos. And finally, number 4, apply those lessons immediately to your next video. Cut the patterns that cause dips and double down on whatever created your spikes. And here's the thing that nobody tells you. After you start improving your retention rates with new videos, the YouTube algorithm will notice these improvements and reward you by recommending them to more viewers. This gives you more impressions and helps your channel grow faster than you expect, all without re-editing a single old video. So that's all for now, guys. If this helped, smash that like button, be sure to subscribe, and drop your biggest retention struggle in the comments. I read every single one of those comments. Or if you disagree with me, tell me why and let's have a conversation about it. Well, that's all for now, guys. See you next time and keep growing.